Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at the perils of using numbers as column headings in Microsoft Excel. I have some data here for the states of Australia, data for the year 2021 and 2022. I'm going to click in this cell here. I'm going to use the AutoSum function because that's going to do the adding up for me. I'll just click on the AutoSum function and press enter without really looking too much at what I'm doing. I'm going to do the same here. Now, the problem with this is that this cell has a number, just a raw number as its cell heading. When I double click on this cell to see what is selected for this sum function, you can see that the value of 2021 is actually being added in here. So this resulting answer here is 2021 numbers too big. Whereas in this case, because I used a text heading, Excel is reading that as text and it knows that it can't add it up. If it tried to add it up, it's just going to be read as zeros. So the sum is not going to change. The result is not going to change even if the column heading is included because Excel realizes that that's a piece of text. That's not the case here. This is being read as a number. This is a real gotcha because it's not unusual to use dates as column headings. If you want to use a date as a column heading, it's much better to put the letters year or something in front of it to indicate that it's a piece of text here. You can see that this number has now changed because it's being read as a zero. I would obviously also need to adjust the alignment of this text so it looks a little better in this worksheet, but just be aware that using numbers as column headings is fraught with difficulty as it's very easy to include them by accident in AutoSum functions. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.